failing. 24-foot round in-ground pool, several what I believe to be fiberglass walls that are attached to each other in the steps. The last several years, the pool has been empty with no pool liner. This year, I'm trying to fix that and put a liner in. What has me at a standstill is the walls connecting to the steps are bowed in, so it has separated from the concrete around the pool. I'm wondering if I can clean debris from behind it and then fill it with hopes the water will push it back into place, or do I need to cut the concrete out, dig it down? It's a 24-foot round in-ground pool.
Yep.
Do I need to cut the concrete down and dig it down to pull the wall back and repair it that way?
Okay.
One side is moved 2 inches and the other side is about 1 inch.
Okay. So if the pool has been left empty, let's kind of dissect that a little bit. That pool sits on a footing, a concrete footing, a bond beam that holds it in. But for it to remain below frost and below any issues with temperature, there has to be water in the pool. So the minute you leave water out of the pool, now frost is attacking that very front bottom edge of the pool, and you run the risk of shifting, heaving, moving, all of that. So that's basically what happened is pressure as the ground freezes and moves, or even as it heats, it expands and contracts and it's pushing in on itself. Without water there to be the resistant that's pushing back, that's why the walls moved. Now, a couple options would be, can you figure out how to live with that and taper it back down so that when you put the liner in, it would attach to the step okay? If you can't do that, the only way to fix it, you cannot rely on water pressure to push it back in place. That will not happen. What you would have to do is break out concrete behind the wall, excavate all the way down, and pull the wall back. Before you go through all of that, I would look at how you could leave it the way it is and still get it to work, because I'm not convinced the juice is worth the squeeze to go through all of that to try to pull back 1 inch to 2 inches. There's got to be a better way of being able to somehow make those angles work and not go through the hassle of breaking out concrete, digging it all up and trying to fix it that way.